How to insert Google Sheet into Google Docs. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can insert Google Sheets into Google Docs. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up your Google Sheet. After that, you have to select the table or the data that you want to add in your Google Docs. So for example, I have this table right here that I want to add into the Google Docs. So once you have selected your table, right click on it and here click on copy. Or you could directly use your keyboard shortcut, press Ctrl C. After that, open up your document in Google Docs, then press Ctrl V or paste it. Here you have an option to link to spreadsheet. So select the first option, click on paste. And there you go. Now you have your table. Now if you go back to your spreadsheet and if you make any change under your table, that will be reflected back to your Google Docs. So if I change this name, and if you head back to your Google Docs, if you click on your table, here you have update option, click on it. And now the name is changed here as well. So any change that you do on your Google Sheet will be reflected back to your Google Docs. So that's how you can add your Google Sheets into Google Docs. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.